5G enabled OnePlus Nord is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphone of 2020. Less than 24 hours after publishing the first credible render of the final OnePlus Nord 5G design, EVLeak is back with a bang, revealing a full spec sheet that might look sketchy at first glance though. As pointed out by the leaker, these details line up quite well. So there is that. According to the image, the OnePlus Nord will feature a 6.44-inch Fluid AMOLED display with 1080p resolution and a 90Hz refresh rate. The screen has a 20:9 aspect ratio and a PPI of 408, which is kind of good considering the price. The OnePlus Nord is also set to offer in-display fingerprint scanner as well as facial recognition. The company has already confirmed that its upcoming smartphone will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 765G, and this device is said to be made available in two configurations, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB with 256GB. Moving on to the camera department, there is a double hole punch in the display that would accommodate a dual front shooter system, which will include 32MP sensor with a 105° field of view wide-angle 8MP lens. Around the back, the OnePlus Nord 5G is pretty much confirmed to rock a quad camera system, including a 48MP primary snapper, 8MP ultra-wide lens, 5MP depth sensor, and a 2MP macro shooter. It's important to note that the company is planning to bring back the Sony's IMX586 sensor previously used on the OnePlus 7T. That sounds a little bit disappointing to some, but you have to keep in mind that the affordable OnePlus will be priced around €500. On the bright side, you will get both optical image stabilization and electronic image stabilization in OnePlus Nord. As for the battery, it is said to pack 4115 mAh battery that supports RapCharge 30T, which is 30W fast charging. So all in all, OnePlus Nord seems to be a great value for money considering it's gonna be a 5G device, a future-proof device. So, if you like this kind of contents I'm making, please subscribe this channel or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.